Happy New Year, everyone, and welcome back to Just Learn Korean. New Year means new me, so I have made New Year's resolutions. And today, I'd like to help you make yours in Korean. I'm going to talk you through the simple ways to make New Year's resolutions in Korean with related grammar and vocabulary. New Year, 새해, resolutions, 결심, 다짐, 새해 결심, 새해 다짐. But in Korea, 새해 다짐 is commonly used. And 목표, 새해 목표 is also often used. So I've made some 새해 목표 for the new year and written them down on a piece of paper rather than just thinking about them. Because I've learned that written plans can help me stick to my 새해 목표. So I will show you how to write your New Year's resolutions in Korean. We can think about goals like 좋은 습관 갖기, 나쁜 습관 버리기, and then make them more specific. But first, one important grammar rule here. Do you see anything in common? That's right. He. Verb with he. 갖다. 기. 갖기. 버리다. 기. 버리기. Just take 다 away and add 기. With 기, you can change a verb into a noun, just like verb ing. This form is used to list activities or actions that you need to do in writing. Now, shall we change verbs with 기? As you know, there are 3 types of Korean verbs. It doesn't matter which type of verbs you want to add 기 to. Just take 다 away and add 기. 자다, 읽다, 운동하다, 자기, 읽기, 운동하기. 일어나다, 먹다, 공부하다. 일어나기, 먹기, 공부하기. 마시다, 듣다, 명상하다. 마시기, 듣기, 명상하기. Now we need more details. When you make your goals more specific, you should add when first, and then where, how, and lastly, what. For example, 밤 10시에 자기. 밤 10시에 자기. 아침에 30분 책 읽기. 아침에 30분 책 읽기. 매일 공원에서 1시간 운동하기. 매일 공원에서 1시간 운동하기. 아침 6시에 일어나기. 아침 6시에 일어나기. 매일 야채 5가지 먹기. 매일 야채 5가지 먹기. 평일 20분 한국어 공부하기. 평일 20분 한국어 공부하기. 매일 물 1.5리터 마시기. 매일 물 1.5리터 마시기. 평일 20분 영어 듣기. 평일 20분 영어 듣기. 자기 전 침대에서 15분 명상하기. 자기 전 침대에서 15분 명상하기. These are all I could come up with for balanced and meaningful life. If you have good habits to recommend, please let me know. Now let's think about bad habits. I want to stop eating crisps, drinking alcohol, and cut down on time on social media. Just like me, you also might have bad habits that you want to stop or avoid. In that case, you can use these 3 verbs to express breaking bad habits. 줄이다, 끊다, 지 않다. Of course, you can get rid of 다 and add 기. 줄이기, 끊기, 지 않기. And then you can add what you want to stop or avoid. For example, 술 줄이기, 담배 끊기, 과자 먹지 않기. We've made some New Year's resolutions in Korean. But making 새해 목표 is an easy part. Sticking with them can be a challenge. In January, we all feel so confident and highly motivated to achieve our goals. But at some point, we will face temptation to delay or stop them, right? So we also need to do something about this. Imagine making 새해 목표 is this part. 무엇? Going to bed early, drinking more water, learning a new language. But the top and the bottom parts are equally important. 왜? 어떻게? 왜? Remember why you are doing 새해 목표. Write down 목적. Remind yourself of what you gain by achieving them. For me, I need to sleep better because I want to think more clearly and improve my mood. 어떻게? Focus on one small thing at a time. 한 가지. Break one goal into manageable small steps and work on one thing at a time. For me, I'm going to stop using my mobile phone in bed for 1 week and then meditate before bedtime the next week, and then add more and more changes when I succeed one thing every week. Remember, one small success every day or every week. Whatever New Year's resolutions you have, there is no failure or success. We can just improve ourselves and become a better person. So, let's do our best. Promise? 주말에 요리 배우기. 매일 한국어 단어 5개 외우기. 한 달에 50만 원 저축하기. 아이스크림 먹지 않기. 자기 전 침대에서 휴대폰 보지 않기. That's the end of today's lesson. I hope you keep your New Year's resolutions. Please join me again soon. Goodbye.